I was cycling for nearly 8 years. Since COVID-19, I was staying in Australia. During that time, I've cycled from Sydney to Sunshine Coast, and then I've stayed nearly for a year in Gold Coast. I've started learning surfing in Gold Coast then, and those things made me feel alive during pandemic. I've surfed with a beginner surfboard for a while. Then I changed it to foam board and I had so much fun with it. My rent was about to finish and finally I was free. So I decided to cycle to the south with the Surfboard and Surf Skateboard. There will be so many beautiful surfing beaches along the coast to Sydney. But not sure I'll just stop in one place to surf or cycle all the way to Sydney. I just bought short board which would be easier to carry than big board. It's difficult to learn short board, but time to time I ride a short wave. The real challenging is how to make it fit with all bags. There are a few things to make sure. First, my handlebar should be free to turn right and left. Second, surfboard should be not pressured when it's on the mount. Third, the short board should be not too close to the ground for avoiding hitting. I've learned that surfboard is fragile and it can be damaged easily if you hit hard ground. So I must be very careful to put it on a bicycle with the bags. I'm going to cover surf skateboard because this is the coolest item ever I had that I don't want other people to see it clearly. Also protecting my back from skate surface scratching. I'll make some holes to air flowing to avoid any moisture kept inside. After cycling a while, I felt really uncomfortable because I can't grab my right side of a handlebar with enough space. And I started having pain on my right shoulder. So I stopped and tried to put the surfboard more behind. It gives me more space on the right side at the handlebar and easy to turn right. The problem is the leg of the surf mount is not well fixed, so it keeps getting narrow. I must cycle slower and keep check my surfboard is dragging or not. The road was just beautiful and the sky was blue. It was one of the happiest relaxing days I've had this year. I'm not sure where this cycling trip with the surfboard will end. I might just stop at Byron Bay, which will end this trip after a week, or just keep cycling all the way to Sydney. I highly doubt that I'll cycle to the Sydney because it will take too long time with the surfboard. And I want to see how it's like living in Byron Bay. For now, I'll just enjoy this beautiful day. There was no such a surfing spot yet. Let's keep cycling. This is the one I was just looking for. This beach makes me so pumped up. I just jumped with my surfboard at the beach and cooled down all the heat I got during the day. I must say this was the most beautiful surfing day ever. Surfing right next to the cliff with the sunset was one of the most memorable things.